Ayan, we went to the mall the other day. Ayan, tingin-tingin lang kami. Just curious what's going on at the mall. Ayan, maraming sale. Yung sister ko ng t-shirts. Yeah, I don't need it. Anyway, that's it. For men or unisex. Tingin-tingin muna kami dito sa mall. Oh, look at this. Just up only. Bata. For kids. So, 349.90. Oh, ano na rin. Huh? Mura na. 990. Ito naman mga bags. 1490. Sling bag. Mura na. Ito mga jeans. 1990. Oh, mura na siya. What kind of jeans is this? Mura na. Ang lalaki. Pero ayan, sige na muna. Basta ako dito sa Uniqlo. Pili-pili muna kami. Let me see this. Okay, these are for girls. Okay. You can now go out for sports. 590. What? Socks. 990. Oh. Okay. Bye guys. It's night time now. So yeah. I'm just watching some Filipino channel. Ayan, Filipino movie. Hotel serye pala. Tiyan. Anyway, good night guys. And see you next time again. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.